In this case, we're solving the following two simultaneous equations using the substitution method. Here are our two equations. We may as well label them 1 and 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange the second equation so that we can substitute it into the first equation. Let's have a look at that second equation. X plus 2y is equal to 9. Now if we rearrange this a little bit by taking off the 2y from both sides, we can see that x is the same as 9 minus 2y. What we're going to do now is we're going to substitute for x into that first equation. The original equation was 5x plus 2y is equal to 13, and now we also know that x is equal to 9 minus 2y. So we're going to write 9 minus 2y where we had x. 5 times 9 minus 2y plus 2y is equal to 13. And what you can see now, we have a new equation and it only has one unknown, so it can be solved in the regular way. The first thing we'll need to do is expand the bracket. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times negative 2y is negative 10y. Then we have a plus 2y, and that is equaling 13. Combining the y's together, 45, if we have a minus 10y and a plus 2y, that's going to give us minus 8y is equal to 13. Now we can start to unravel to isolate the y. That's minus 45 off both sides. So we have minus 8y is equal to 13 take away 45, which is negative 32. We now need to eliminate the minus 8, so we divide through by negative 8. And that leaves us with y is equal to negative 32 divided by negative 8, which is 4. Now we know that y is equal to 4, we can substitute into one of the equations to find x. Maybe we'd like to substitute into equation number 2 because it looks a bit simpler. X plus 2y is equal to 9. X plus 2 lots of y, which is 4, is equal to 9. X plus 8 is equal to 9. If we minus 8 off both sides, we can see that x is equal to 1. So far then, we've worked out that x equals 1 and y equals 4, and we've determined that from equation number 2, but we need to check that it also works for equation number 1. So check by substituting into equation number 1. 5x plus 2y should give us 13, all being well. So 5 times x, which is 1, plus 2 times y, which is 4. 5 times 1 is 5, 2 times 4 is 8, and 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So we have agreed it. Finally then, the solution to the two simultaneous equations is x equals 1 and y equals 4.